Hi guys, so we're here today at the North London Skydiving Centre. The money we've raised is for the outreaches that we're going to be doing across the universities and town centres.
So as we know, over half of animals used in animal research are for curiosity-driven experiments. Students in the UK are not given the choice. They must do vivisection. Over in America, the students get a choice whether they want to do non-animal methods or animal research, and we really need to be taking their lead on this.
Right guys, how do you all feel?
Amazing!
Some of them are scared.
How do you feel about doing a skydive?
I'm so scared, but excited. Why don't you have marbles as well?
Michelle?
Can't wait.
Yeah, pretty good, yeah. Can't wait to get up there.
I'm actually excited, yeah. Can't wait. I'm so excited. So excited because it's something I'm really passionate about. I want to save the beagles, and this is the way we can fundraise, and this is what we're going to do today. This is little Bella. Sit, Sophie.
Nervous, excited, hungover.
Should be good, should be fun. Can't wait.
It's just like, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
There we go, we'll kneel now.
So please join us for an outreach event at a university near you. Check our social medias.